Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to read analog sensor data in NORVI ESP32-based Industrial Controller. So here on the camera you can see I have this ESP32-based NORVI Industrial Controller and I have this potentiometer. Now this potentiometer will act as a sensor. Okay, so here you can see I have connected positive and negative is common, okay, for industrial controller and here. So whenever I slide through my potentiometer, the voltage will be vary on the A0 pin. Okay, so we want to read that in this industrial controller. So based on the value, we can set some alarm, we can send our data to MQTT, we can initiate SMS using this controller. Okay, so whatever we want to do, okay, for preventing the damage, we can do using this controller after reading the sensor data, okay, or you can say analog sensor data. Now this module is supporting analog sensor data for 0 to 10 volt. Here you can see, I hope it's visible, analog 0 to 10 volt. Okay, so this module is capable to handle the data, okay, or you can say handle the analog data from 0 to 10 volt DC. So that's why I have only provided 3.3 voltage. Okay, so we will slide this potentiometer and the voltage will be vary between 0 to 3.3 volt and we will read that in this industrial controller. Okay, so let's connect this cable with our system. Here you can see this controller is on, power LED is on. Now let me show you the connection first, and before that, this library Adafruit ADS1X15 you have to install to use the analog input in this controller. Okay, so I have already provided the snapshot here that which version I am using, okay, and which is installed in my system. Now here I have kept the code analog input example, and here is the connection diagram. So we have a NORVI ESP32-based industrial controller, and here you can see this is for the common. Okay, so if you see the camera, then I have connected this black cable to the ground. Okay, here you can see it's a ground pin. Okay, yeah, it's a ground pin. Okay, so I have connected the ground with here, so it's my common, and then after I have provided the potentiometer output to the A0, or you can say A1. Okay, so here is the A0, so I have provided the potentiometer output, okay, using this brown cable to the A0, and I am providing 3.3 volt to this potentiometer using this black and red cable, okay, which is positive and negative. Okay, black and red cable. Okay, so this is how our connection will look like, and if you have any practical analog sensor, then also you can connect with this in the same format. Okay, so let's see the code now. So here I have provided the code. You can open the code in the new tab and you can copy the code. Okay, you can navigate to Arduino IDE and you can paste that code here. Now here you can see we have imported this library, so you can copy this library and you can search it. Okay, and here you can see it's already installed, so you have to install it. Then after our entire code, and here you can see in the white loop we are reading the data, and I am mapping analog data with the voltage. So previously I was getting 8240 row value when I am providing 3.3 voltage. Okay, so I have mapped those things here. If you are getting some other values, okay, then you can map this value accordingly. We will see that in this video. Okay, so let's upload this code into our ESP32 controller from NORVI. Okay, we have successfully uploaded the code. Now we will open the serial monitor here. Right now you can see we are getting analog 0, row value is 010101, and the map voltage is 0 volt because we haven't turned on this circuit. Okay, so let me turn on this circuit. So the circuit is turned on. You can see this LED is on. Okay, now we can go to Arduino IDE and you can check the voltage. Okay, so let me open these two things parallelly. Now I'm going to slide this potentiometer, and on the Arduino side you can see we have the voltage 2.09. okay, it is increasing, and it's a full voltage here, 3.16. okay, 3.17. Now here right now we are getting 3.3 voltage, and the row value we are getting is 7874 or 78 something. Okay, then you can modify this, so I can keep 7880, and I can re-upload the code. Okay, okay, so we have successfully uploaded the code. Now here you can see 3.32 volt. Okay, so our maximum voltage is 3.3 volt, so that's why we are getting 3.32 volt. And if I slide this potentiometer, then you can see voltage is getting decreased. Okay, so this is how you can integrate any analog sensor with NORVI ESP32-based Industrial Controller. Okay, so instead of any potentiometer, you can connect any real sensor, analog sensor, which is providing you the data between 0 to 10 volt. You can connect it here, and you can read those sensor data. And after that, you can program your ESP32 controller to send some SMS when value is on the high limit, send some SMS when value under the low limit. Okay, so all those things you can do. Also, you can upload the data to the MQTT broker using Wi-Fi or using internet. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can integrate these things. Okay, and if you still have any question or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can also send me a mail. You can also comment on this video. Also, you can chat with me on LinkedIn. So let's meet in the future videos with more detail on this ESP32 industrial controller. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.